What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car LED headlight on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Roylux LED Bulb Super Bright Fog Light. 400% brighter than halogen upgraded 9005H11 LED bulb, which adopted customized top automotive grade 16-core SPI LED chips with 60 BAU, 6000 M per pair. 6000 cool white super bright allows you to see further and clearer, 4 times brighter than your original halogen bulb, help you see farther and wider in the nighttime driving. Plug and play H11 H9H 89005 April LED light bulb are the same as all-in-one wireless design as the halogen driver in all-in-one unit. Just direct replacement of factory halogen Xenon 9005 EP3 light can be easily installed to your vehicle within 5 minutes. No tools needed, just directly plug into your vehicle's housing and connect. Fits 99% vehicles advanced built-in EMC filter driver. Let Roylux 9005H11 bulb fits for 99% vehicles without radio interference or other CAN bus problems. Used for upgrading OEM halogen incandescent heat buffer bulb or damaged fog lights, DRL, daytime running lights, cornering lights lamps for automotive cars. For very few sensitive cars, additional decoders or anti-flicker harness may be required. 50,000 ATS's lifespan 9005H11 light bulbs. Adopt whole aviation aluminum body, unique hollow carved heat sink design, and 15,000 turbo cool fan provide super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lifespan up to 5 years. 1-1 perfect beam pattern. The 9005H11 bulbs high beam perfectly mimic the original halogen beam pattern. You can get a more perfectly focused cutoff line and beam pattern, delivering a wider and farther view on the road, no shadow areas or dark spots, no glare or dazzle to oncoming traffic, ensuring your driving is safer and more reliable. In our list, the number 4 product name is Hikari LED Bulbs. 20,000 M enhanced visibility. Our upgraded Core H11 bulbs feature 12 advanced LED chips, providing an impressive 20,000 lumens. This ensures clear and reliable illumination during nighttime driving and adverse weather conditions. Safe beam pattern utilizing super thin chip technology. The Core H11 bulbs deliver a focused light beam. This design ensures the light is concentrated in the desired direction, enhancing visibility and reducing glare for oncoming drivers, suitable for use in rainy and foggy weather. 50,000 hours longer lifespan, constructed with high-quality materials and an efficient cooling system. These LED bulbs offer durability and an extended lifespan, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. 5 minutes easy installation. The Core H11 bulbs provide a plug-and-play setup with a 1-1 design, fitting seamlessly into the housing without any modification. 99% vehicle compatibility. The Core H11 bulbs are suitable for use in rainy and foggy weather. The built-in CAN bus technology resolves error codes and blinding issues. For some vehicles, additional error resistors or specific retainers may be necessary. Reach out to Hikari for assistance. In our list, the number 3 product name is Roylux LED Fog Light Bulbs. 350% brighter than halogens. Roylux 9005H11 LED fog bulbs equipped with high luminous efficacy, escape chips, and 6000 tool white for Ford F-15201. 5 2016 2017 2018 201 920 20 output 350% brightness, providing further and wider visibility for your safer driving at night. Ideal beam pattern Roylux H11 9000 5 LED fog bulbs combo. Enhanced super focused beam pattern for optimal light shape and clearer visibility, no dark spots or shadow areas, no blinding or glare to oncoming drivers, which avoids driver distraction caused by scattered light problem to ensure driving safety, making it the optimal LEDs to replace your factory bulbs. 10 means easy installation all in one compact design. Bullied-in driver for taking up less space in housing. 1 mini size as original halogen bulbs for better compatibility. Real plug and play. Quickly install in 10 minutes. 9005 H11 Combo LED Fog for 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 kit smoothly fits into vehicle's housing and factory sockets, even with limited space in fog housing, no retrofitment required, no radio interference. 50,000 hours lifespan thanks to premium aviation aluminum heat sink with optimized 10,000 rem silent turbo cooling fan. 9005 H11 LED fog efficiently speeds up heat dissipation to prevent bulbs from overheat to insurability, prolonging lifespan up to 50,000 hours, equivalent to 100 halogen bulbs, to get rid of frequent bulbs replacements. Super performance internal power supply, non-polarity plug, CAN bus ready, fit with 99% vehicles without error or flickering issue. IP67 feature makes it work perfectly on any severe weather like rainy day, snowy day, foggy day, hazy weather, etc. Fit for 9005 FP3 high beam, H11 low beam. In our list, the number 2 product name is Firehawk LED bulbs. 990% brightness 2024 new 104W Japanese LB chips produce up to incredible 40,000 XX 1000 eye protection xenon white light and provide a stunning 990% more brightness compared to halogen. 0-second turn up, illuminate the road ahead like never before. 300% night vision super focused beam without dark spots or shadows, anti-glare tech, 10's additional response time, ensuring your road experience whether commuting or on a night drive. 360 dead adjustable adapter, get your best beam pattern. 70,000 hours lifespan, 2 mm thickened red copper. 50 mm copper heat pipes, 40 Peaks Aviation Aluminum Heat Sinks, 15,000 RPM Silent Turbofan, IP 68 Waterproof. These improved techs and materials make Firehawk bulbs work perfectly in any weather conditions, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. 45 deck to 300 decks even last longer than your vehicle. 5 means easy installation. 1 halogen design, plug and play, perfectly fit into your projector housing. Mini bottom takes up less space to breathe well in your dust cover. 99% vehicles compatibility. If unsure which bulb model your vehicle requires, please search the automotive bulb lookup, check your owner's manual, or reach us. Our built-in CAN bus driver works with 99% of vehicle computers without flickering, error code, or radio interference, but some sensitive vehicles may require additional resistor decoder to be installed. In our list, the number one product name is Auton LED Lights Fog Lights. Huge improvement in visibility. O21 11 9005 LED bulbs combo are equipped with high luminous efficacy XP chips. And 1 halogen bulbs beam pattern spread out the light more to help in the side and front vision but no endangering other drivers. Safer and bright upgrade for fog lights. Advanced and ingenious design. No plastic plug won't detach from the plug or get loose compared to other 9005H11 LED bulbs. Ensure Auto1 Hey 11 9005 LED bulbs more reliable and durable. Fanless design. No worry about the fan noise or fans out issues. Plus IP 67 feature, well avoid the dirt, wet inhale in driving. Those 9005H11 LED fog lights will work perfectly on most severe weather. Less 10 means easy installation all in one wireless mini size 9005H11 LED light bulb. No bulky and extended bulb base, no external driver. Real plug and play smoothly fits into vehicles' housing and factory sockets, even with limited space in original lights housing. More than 50,000 Hz a longer lifespan. OLED H11 9005 bulbs use less power than halogen bulbs, which produce less heat. With whole aluminum body and temperature control element, the LED H11 9005 bulbs will operate in a normal working temp range and produce continuous lighting without damage shortly. Bullied-in driver and CAN bus ready. The H11 9005 LED light is CAN bus design, fit 99% vehicles without error or flickering issue. Note: for few vehicles, computer system may be sensitive and will display an error message or flicker for any aftermarket bulbs. To solve the issue, an additional decoder is needed. Message to us on Amazon so we can send decoder directly.